Hello friends, here this is Whirlpool top load fully automatic washing machine. Now I am going to show you this washing machine specifications and features, and I will also show you how to use this top load washing machine. If we go about this machine, it has a 2 years complete machine warranty and 12 years inside motor warranty. If we open this machine door, here this is this machine's washing drum. This is 6 kgs washing machine. It means here this machine washing drum loading capacity is 6 kgs, so you can add clothes up to 6 kgs in this machine washing drum. This is completely fully automatic washing machine, so once you start the machine after adding the clothes, it will do everything, wash, rinse and finally dry also, so we don't need to change anything in the middle of the washing. After the wash is completed, you can take the clothes directly from the machine. And here these are this machine's operating buttons. Here this is for detergent and here this is for softness. Okay, first let me show you installation of this machine. After that I will show you everything, how to use this machine, operating buttons and how to use this machine. Okay, we go for installation of this machine. Here this is inlet pipe and this is drain pipe. We have to fix these both here back side of the machine. This is inlet pipe. Machine takes water through this pipe, so we have to fix this here. And here machine has a dust filter. This is filter here to stop any dust coming through the water. So after some washes we have to check at this filter, and if there is any dust at this filter, we have to clean it and replace again. Okay, here done. We have to fix this second side of the pipe to water tap. This is connector of this pipe. First we have to fix this connector to water tap, then we can connect this inlet pipe to water tap. This connector has a dust filter. We have to clean also this filter after some washes and replace it here. Okay, now I am fixing this connector here. Okay, here this inlet pipe connecting is done. Now we can open the water tap. Here this is drain pipe. We have to fix this drain pipe here downside of the machine. After wash is complete, drain water go out through this pipe, so we have to set this pipe to where you want to go the drain water. Okay, here machine installation process is complete. Now I am going to show you how to use this washing machine. Okay, now I am adding cloths in machine washing drum. Some people add cloths in reverse when they add cloths to machine washing drum, but don't add in reverse because most of the cloths have dirt or stains only outside of the cloths. Okay, here this is for detergent. If you want to add detergent powder or detergent liquid, we have to add here. Here this is for detergent, and if you want to add softness, you can add here in rinse cycle. Okay, now I am going to show you how to use this machine operating buttons. After that I will start the machine. Here this is this machine's keypad, and here is power button, and here is start and pause button. Let me on it. Okay, it's on here. Here is this machine's display. In this display you can check when you change the wash programs on the machine keypad. The washing time is also displayed after starting the machine in this display, and in this display we can also check how long it takes to wash your clothes. Here are some wash programs P1, P2, P3, P4 and P5 something. If you want to change the wash programs, here is programs option. With this option you can select the wash program you want before starting the machine. When you change the wash programs, in this display you can see the selected wash program here. Here I have selected P1 wash program. If you choose P1 normal wash program, machine will do soak, wash, rinse and finally dry. Here P1 means normal. Now I am changing the wash program from P1 to P2. Okay, here wash program is changed to P2 on display. Here P2 means express wash. If you choose P2 on display, machine will do 3 cycles wash, rinse and dry. If you choose P2 wash program, machine will not do soak the cloths. If you want to only rinse and dry the clothes, you can choose here P6 wash program. If you choose P6 on display, machine will do only rinse and dry the clothes. And if you want to only dry the clothes, you can choose here P7 wash program only dry. If you choose P7 wash program, machine will do only dry the clothes. If you want to change water level in washing drum, here is water level option. You can choose here water level you want. Here you can choose low to minimum, medium, high and maximum. If you want to wash and rinse only, here is wash and rinse option. If you press here indicate only wash and machine will do only wash cycle. If you press again, here indicate only wash and rinse and machine will do only wash and rinse cycles. Here is a child lock option. If you have any children and you want to lock the machine keypad while the machine is in the wash, you can lock the machine keypad here with these options. Okay, I explained here washing options on the machine keypad. If you have any doubts about this machine or washing options, you can also comment in below comment section. Okay, let me start the machine now. Okay, here it started. Machine drum rotating has also started. Here machine taking the water from the water tap. Now first soak cycle is going in the machine washing drum. And here displayed washing time on the display. Here you can check how long it takes to wash your clothes. Here displayed washing time 47 minutes. And here time also decrease with the wash programs. Now soak cycle is going in the machine, so here indicating the soak cycle. If the soak cycle will complete, machine will start wash, rinse and dry cycles one by one. Okay, if the 4 cycles will complete, we can take the cloths from the machine. Okay friends, thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any doubts, you can also comment in below comment section. Please like this video and subscribe my channel. Here started rain cycle. And the machine taking the water again. Okay, here started final drying cycle, and the drain water also here coming out from the machine. Okay, here finally washing time, remaining time is 1 minute, and here machine is in the final stage. If 1 minute will complete, wash will complete. Okay, finally wash is completing in the machine. If the wash will complete and will show in the display. Okay, wash is completed, and here displayed and in the display, so we can take the clothes from the machine. Okay friends, thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any doubts, you can also comment in below comment section. Please like this video and subscribe my channel.